This is for glass skin and perfect for home care use. If your skin feels dry, tight, flaky, or irritated, or if you're struggling with redness, a damaged skin barrier, or even sensitivity from over-exfoliation, Ceramide 100 from Matrigen can help bring everything back into balance. It's designed to restore, repair, and deeply nourish the skin while supporting long-term barrier health and hydration. Ceramides are the lipids naturally found in our skin, but as we age or use harsh products, they can become depleted. This formula brings them back. It targets issues like dehydration, redness, barrier damage, flakiness, fine lines, and even dullness. With consistent use, people have noticed improvements in skin smoothness, hydration, reduced redness, and stronger skin overall. In one case, daily use for 4 weeks showed visibly plumper, dewier skin with a major drop in irritation after chemical peels. What makes this product different is the texture. Lightweight and fast absorbing, but packed with barrier strengthening ingredients without feeling heavy or greasy. That makes it ideal for layering with other serums or under makeup without pilling. It works well across all skin types, even oily or acne-prone skin, because it balances without clogging. The top 5 ingredients are Ceramide NP for strengthening the skin barrier, Panthenol for soothing, Allantoin for calming and gentle cell renewal, sodium hyaluronate for deep hydration, and Betaine to help hold moisture in the skin. To use it, apply a small amount onto clean skin after toner or essence and before your moisturizer, both day and night. If layering, it fits well between lighter serums and heavier creams. You can combine this with hydrating, calming, or anti-aging products like peptides and niacinamide, but avoid pairing with strong exfoliants in the same step to avoid sensitivity. Expert tip: use it as a 7 skin method step if your skin is feeling extra dry. Pat in thin layers repeatedly for intense hydration and glow. This technique helps build the skin's moisture barrier and gives that long-lasting dewy effect glass skin is known for.